So didn't know we were filming today. No makeup. Forgot to brush my hair, but here we are very early in the morning.
You can hear the freeway humming in the background. It's like the ocean. It's calming.
It's very soothing. The kids are getting themselves ready for school, and we are trying to beat the heat, getting the tar paper rolled out and hopefully starting shingling today, because with any luck, water is coming with all the wildfires going on. We could definitely use some rain.
So this is essentially a self-adhesive tar paper. It will get nails along this dark edge line when I put the drip edge on.
We decided to use self-sticking roofing material all around the edges of the roof as well as in the valleys to protect against water damage, ice dams, etc. If you live anywhere with an excessive amount of snow, you not only want to put it in your valleys, but around all of your eaves to protect your roof. We're going to be applying the tar paper to the edge of the roof line, not securing it on the bottom, because you must secure the drip line underneath the tar paper and nail that down at the end.
It was a little short, so when I'm done with this roll, I'll take whatever scraps over there and go ahead and just finish that line off, just overlap it about 6 inches on all the sides. I've also started getting some of the flashing going, and that goes on first. Then we'll tar paper and shingle everything. Then there will be a house wrap that goes over the top of that, and the siding will go over the top of that. That way nothing gets up underneath that edge. And that's sealed up with an adhesive. I ran out. I've got a couple little scrap ends there. I've got to finish down this way here and down that little ridge right there. But this valley here also has the adhesive paper.
The first row of tar paper is down. All right, Deb's got it. Can I just be the official roof cheerleader?
Yeah, and bring me drinks.
I
love it.
I'll bring you a breakfast burrito.
Now you're just fighting dirty.
I don't think bringing you a breakfast burrito is fighting dirty. I feel like it's my wifely duty to keep you from getting hangry.
I'm just saying, like, breakfast burrito, or do I get you another hammer and nail? I'm gonna go breakfast burrito every time.
It's probably the best option. I'll be helpful when we get to like the cricket, because I'm a little less scared when I'm closer to the house.
Because the cricket is your speed?
The cricket is my jam. I can help you in the valley. Okay, so we did not nail the front of the tar paper because you have to lift it up and insert this drip ledge in, and then you nail it down. The reason being is you want the water to go off the roof, not under the drip edge.
All right, so you got to overlap that about 3-4 inches. Are you there?
It's like an inch.
Well, 3-4 inches. Okay, I'm gonna cut mine. All right, nice and close up here. On the corners, I forgot to film this earlier. I'm gonna have to trim a little bit of this off because the edge is not completely straight. So I just cut the little, where the angle is here on the drip edge, I just cut up to that. And then right at the top, you can't see it, the stuff's adhering already. And then right at the top here, I just cut a 90, and that went right over. Then this will all seal up. I'm gonna use some adhesive on this in the corner, and then we'll shingle over the top of that. Is it up underneath that? Okay, once it catches, you should just be able to whack the top and it'll slide up in and catch. Alright, just hold that right there while I line this up. Okay.
Anytime you're working down in the valley, you want to make sure that no nails enter the valley within 6 inches. The valley is the part where the 2 points come down in like a intersection, almost like 2 mountains with a river. Anyways, the reason being that's a really vulnerable area in there because that's where all the water shoots off, and you don't want any area that could possibly leak, so no nails in the valley.
How are we looking on your line over there?
Especially on that line?
Yeah, this line right there is the one we want.
It's on it.
It's on it. So when you thought you were cool and your weave was looking good, but you get to the end of the day and you're like, what? My weave is not hot. It's been on the struggle bus. Needless to say, there are 3 pieces of tar paper there.
All right, so this has a lifetime warranty. Don't know what that means.
A lifetime warranty.
Owens duration with Sure Nail technology. It holds up to winds to 130 miles per hour. It's the premium shingle they offer at Home Depot.
We figured since we weren't doing standing seam, we could spend an extra $2 per bag. That's all the more it was to get these.
I can't believe you're gonna carry those onto the roof.
Yeah, bag at a time. You're gonna carry them on the roof.
Yeah, I can see that happening.
Have to go over that side. Okay, we're a little low on your end. All right.
Well, you need to go up a little. Up a little. There you go.
Come on in.
This part you're gonna overlap.
Yeah, so, yep, that part's fine.
Look, I worked so hard, I ripped the knees out of my jeans.
Oh, man. We got Dad over there supervising on the ladder.
He's not on the ladder.
I'm just standing right here looking over the window.
It's better if you come from the other angle.
Yep.
I'm not super good at this. When you got little short nails, you just hold these back so you don't get your thumb. And you're just tapping it in to set it, and then you just hammer it in. could also buy a nail gun that does this.
I tried to find one. I could not find one
Not even to
that
buy?
does tab nails to buy. I tried to buy one.
Oh.
Because I was like, you know, we got to do all of this roof. We got to get up over here and get this roof.
I guess it's probably such a specialty item that you have to order it in.
Yeah, or go to like a roofing store.
Well, I mean, why would you do that when this is so much fun?
Yeah. I got a box of 3,000. We're about halfway through it. So we're finally redoing the flashing the right way. The last time I installed this, it was snowing. I just threw some stuff on there to get it through the winter. And we've raised it up to the right height it needs to be at, and gonna do the flashing right. I'll run glue all along here. A couple other pieces will come up and come around, and then big spots of glue right here and underneath. And then we'll do the tar paper over the top of that. That should seal that up nice. So this is pretty much in here. It's not the prettiest, but this is all gonna be underneath tar paper, and it's essentially step flashing. I was using those large pieces of flashing and I just cut them. And then I also left a run down here at the bottom, just kind of shoot the water off the side and keep it away. And this is a construction / roofing adhesive that is on all the cracks. And these overlap about 3 inches, 4 inches or so. So I started at the bottom and then nailed that in, overlap, overlap, overlap. And once the tar paper goes on there, that should be really nice and weatherproof. Still have to finish the top right there and over there, but that's gonna have to wait for the morning. This is our new favorite place to talk to you.
It's the only place that's mostly done. Thanks for joining us today while we were working on the roof tar paper drip line down in the valleys. I think drip edge?
It's a drip edge. Drip line is like for gardens.
Drip edge, valleys, all kinds of things going on. We're hoping tomorrow that we can lay down our very first shingles, and next
For sure,
week,
tomorrow.
For sure. And next week I'm gonna get started on the floors.
The tar paper will keep the rain out, so she can start sanding the floors tomorrow if she really wants to.
We'll see how enthusiastic I get.
We got football games.
Football. All right, you guys, thanks for joining us. Be sure to visit Jami Ray Vintage and JamiRayVintageHome.com for the paint and products plus the home decor that we have showing behind us. Also, new stencils dropped. To purchase the new stencils that just came out, you can hit up your local retailer by going to jrbwholesale.com. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.